Hello, and welcome back to The Broken Doll. Well, who do we see before us here is Dolly Rekord. She is ready to be seen, and she's ready for Valentine's Day. She'll be shown in my Valentine's Day video, but I thought you'd like to see her up ahead. And now, what's one thing we know about her? She can sing. So let's get her singing, and let's get her going here. So, she turned out gorgeous. Oh my goodness, did she ever. So we're going to wind her up first. Where's her winder? She winds up what side? Oh, down here. Okay, I'm winding her up. Okay. Whoa! Oh, again! Get her going again. She's old and her crank is... See if we can get her to go further. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so how does she work? Let's take a look at her mechanism in here. She has a winder on this side, and she has a little voice box here, and you pull out the cylinder, you put the cylinder in. Oops, get this out of the way. There we go. Put that, well, no, you got to wind her up first. Oh, it's hard to do it when she's, okay. Now you put this little lever over, and then she, okay, that's as far as she's going to go for right now anyways, but I think she turned out beautiful. I am so proud of my work and how it's getting better and better all the time. And that's the name of the game, is when you're restoring these beautiful old dolls from many years ago. I want to thank the people who sent her to me. They sent it on their own dime, and I just want to say thank you so much, because I love having her in my collection. She does have her own chair. This is her wicker chair that she sits in right here, so we're going to put her in her chair. Oops, because it holds her so well. I had her in another chair, but she wanted to slide out, and I went, nope, 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 she can't do no sliding. I took this dress that she has now. The dress, and I want to bring you up so you can see her better. There we go. There she is. Now, the dress she had on was one that you put over her head. Didn't want to do that to her because her body is ripe. There's a few places where I need just to sit and just hand sew a little places, like in the crotch, by an arm, just little things where I'll take some thread and just kind of give it some reinforcement. But other than that, she is doing spectacular. I do remember now, I do have some more pates up in my shop that I want to go looking for, and they are the bigger ones. I remember I recorded in a book where I put them. So I'm going to go up in the shop and up in the attic, and I need to find them for her. Right now, I've just got a wig. Now, her wig that came with her, I cannot get it to go on her head. It might be because she needs the pate. That can have a lot to do with it. Right now, she's just wearing a replica wig, not from her time period, but it works for right now. I think it looks cute on her, but I do have other wigs that I like to try on her as well, but this one here looks spectacular on her. Let's see her eyebrows. This is sitting a little bit too low on her head. There we go. And now we get to see her eyebrows and everything. There we go. But she looks beautiful. I think she looks great. And I want to just thank them for sending her to me on, like I say, it was on their dime they did that. And I just want to say thank you for thinking of me. And that you watch my videos, you see how much I do love these old dolls. And I love bringing them back to life. She's got her life back given to her. Beauty is back again. She looks great. And I'm really happy with her. And she has her own little chair where she can sit. We're going to find her a little antique doll to go sit with her. Some type of little doll that she can love on. You know, we have some here, you know, just a nice little doll to go in her arms and that she can hold and just cuddle with, you know. And that's what she needs. She needs her own little doll. There we go. That's a little F&B doll. I forget his name. It's supposed to be a boy doll, a little boy. But right now I got it dressed like a girl because I don't have any boy gowns. But anyways, doesn't matter. That looks cute, you know. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video and seeing Dolly Rekord come back to life. But she will be in my Valentine's Day video coming up. And but I want to give her her special day. She needs a day called Dolly Rekord and just showing her beauty. I picked this dress for her too because it's corduroy, number one. I love corduroy dresses and corduroy pants on little boys. But I also love that it has the heart and the little Scottish dog there, you know. Scottish Terrier there, you know, it's red, and she's got her nice red, and her pink little socks are on her, a little pink ribbon up in her hair. I imagine too she's 1920, so she would be wearing a much bigger ribbon, but a bow in her hair, but that will work for right now. But I think she looks spectacular. Isn't she beautiful? She has a big foot. I couldn't believe, I kept bringing shoes in that were just too small for her because I couldn't imagine that she needed a shoe this size. Finally, I just said, step it up a few more inches, a few more just a little bit, like an inch or so more, because I was bringing in ones like this and another inch, you know. I think I brought little, I didn't look at her feet, and now when I look at her feet, like she fills this shoe up. There's just a little space at the top of this shoe. I think this is a size 3 that she's wearing, but I'm just like, wow, couldn't believe that she needed that size. Like I said, I was bringing in small shoes for some reason, and I was like, oh no, back out you go. Go back out to the shop and go look for some better ones for her. But there she is. I think she is just, oh, she's beautiful. But if you can leave me a comment, tell me what you think about her. She was worth fixing up and bringing back her beauty again. The only thing I do want to do for her is just rosy up her cheeks just a little bit deeper. And I'm going to be doing that in the next little while here before Valentine's Day. I'm going to deepen those cheeks, let her dry in the house here. That's about all I want to do with her. Just the cheeks. That's it. And just give them a little bit, just a titch more, just not by much more. And she's going to look fabulous. But I hope you like her. I hope you see the beauty in her. And if you are interested in fixing your dolls, believe me, you can restore your dolls right in your own home. End of a table, a little room off to the side. You wouldn't believe what you can do. And it doesn't take a whole lot of equipment. I built mine up slowly. I just did a slow process, and I have actually, you know, with what I've learned, I try to put it on my videos how to cut it down so that you don't have to go through all what I did. All the unnecessary equipment that I bought that I did not need, from paints to whatever. You don't need fancy brushes. I just use beginner brushes from Michaels, and you know, even ones from the Dollar Tree. The dollar stores, wherever you go, will even work on these dolls just as well. As long as you don't get the streaks with them, the hairs don't fall out too much, you're fine. That's why I like the ones from Michael, because I don't get the hairs falling out. They're really well put together. But other than that, that's all. She turned out great. I love her. Now, she's not closing her eyes at this time because I have a cloth down inside. Her eyes do close, though. If she was to lay down, her eyes would shut. But she's beautiful, and I love her. Oh my goodness. And I want to thank the people who sent her to me. One more time, thank you so much. I hope you know she has a good home and she is loved, and I love her a lot. You know, she'll be with me to the day I go. I'll probably take her with me. They say you can't take them, but I might just sneak her in and say, God, I need her. And let her sing up there with the angels. There we go. We can always have a little laugh. But anyhow, what I did with her dress, I just wanted to say this before I go. I cut it up the back so that I can just slip it on like this. Not where I had to go over her head, her feet, none of that. It went right, and I'm going to start doing that with some of my dresses, because why? It doesn't destroy the dress. for this purpose to another child? Yes, but I don't care about that. These are for my dolls, and I want it to work for my dolls. I'm tired of putting dolls through the stress of their arms trying to get them to go in. No more. I'm going to cut up the back, run it through the sewing machine, if I have to put Velcro or another button on and make a buttonhole, I don't care, I'll do it. And because it's so worth the doll. If the dress can't be done that way, I won't be buying the dress. You know, I have to be able so that I can cut it up the back. This was one that I could cut up the back. And I have to really with her because she has that mechanism that goes around and around and around. So she needs that ability to have it go around. Now I have to put a little slice in the side of the dress so that her little crank can move around more freer. But other than that, she is looking great. Just the pate, if I go up in the attic, I know I bought, that's why I've been hindering putting my order in, because I know I bought some more pates, and I got them somewhere. I found the small ones in with my wigs, but I know I got these big ones sitting off to the side, and I'm going to go look for them, and that's what I'm going to do. There we go. Okay, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming onto my channel, listening to me, and seeing this beauty before your eyes. She's worth seeing. She's worth being heard. I have 2 cylinders. The other cylinder I'll play on Valentine's Day, and to hear her again sing. And the lady that's singing in this, we know she's dead and gone, but her voice still goes on today, and we can still hear that lady from long ago sing those childhood songs that we grew up on. Isn't that wonderful? So anyways, thank you for joining me. And come back for Valentine's Day, because I'm going to have a nice little spread of dolls here. And we're going to show the love for our dolls. Okay, thanks again for joining me. We'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.